Hi friends, good morning. This is Sanjeev here. I'm an IT engineer, and I've been living in Bangalore. So just wanted to share a couple of things what I have seen in recent times, so that we all can be better for our tomorrow. Okay, so to start with, recent times, before pandemic or after pandemic, so we have seen a lot of young people getting into a health issues, 30 35 aged people getting into a heart issues and blockages, and there are various other things like cancer, blah blah blah, all those things, right? So just wanted to thought to give a priority and to see how you are managing as an individual, right? So, financially, what we do, right? If you want to be financially strong in your old age, what we do? So, we start investment in the early stages. Many of you do it, right? I mean, everybody does it, not many of you, right? So, you start a safe, you start investing in the trade, you start, putting into the savings. When you start your career, and make sure, you put, little by small amounts, like, whatever it is, 5K, 10K every month in the SIP, and so that you get a better output, better result when you're in the retirement age or in the old age, right? So this is your financial management, which are very basic and everybody does it, right? For child's future, blah blah blah, all those things. So now I'll ask one simple question. So what is that you are doing for your better living, better health for your old age, right? So you just can't just sit your age from 10 15 to 30 35 is very crucial, right? So that's where you have to invest on your health. Okay, when I say invest on your health, is not like buying insurance or buying policy packages and term policies, all those things. Yeah, those are required, but what I'm really pointing out here is to really invest on your health. Nobody can do that, nobody will do that. You have to do for yourself, right? So what is that you are doing an investment, right? So it's not like per month I'll do one day full workout and leave it, right? So that will not really help. So you have to do like a systematic investment plan for your health, for your future healthy life, to enjoy with your loved ones, family, kids, so that you can see a better life going down the line, right? So start investing in health from your very early age. If not early age, right now, wherever you are, just start investing. In 24 hours you can definitely find a time of 1 hour for yourself. Do whatever makes you, physically fit or mentally fit, or remove your stress buster, do your hobbies, right? Get engaged into things, right, other than your work pressure, family, outside traffic, blah blah blah, all those things, right? So just do this. I mean, it, you won't see a result just in a day or two. It's like SIP, right? Systematic investment plan. So it will yield you, when you go down the line, when you get older, when you really see, people how what is going on the outside. So you will feel much better, right? So uh, the very simple question, right? So whenever it comes to health related or workout or anything, right? So when we say, okay, buy this, it will be helpful, then people will say, oh, that expensive. But the same people can go ahead and buy a iPhone, one plus, paying 40,000, 50,000. But they hesitate, or they say, I don't have money to buy a cycle which will which will give your lifetime return of investment, right? In term, it will not give you money, but it will give you a good health, right? So we have completely lost, what is that we are here, what is that we are living, how we have to live, what is important for us, right? At least this pandemic has taught us, what is very important for us, right? Good food, good water, good air, right? And good friends, relationships, families, right? So to be with them, you should really see what is that required, which will help you, to really understand and make your life much much better, right? So when I say invest in health or whatever, right, it need not be only working out, running, jogging, right? So dancing, you are good at dancing, right? You want to redo something, go ahead and do that, right? So somebody is good in music, so go ahead and do that, right? So just spend for yourself 30 minutes to 1 hour regularly, right? So you can skip one day here and there, but do a self motivation, guys. Nobody will come and tell you, hey, get motivated and do this today, right? So of course, if you have a group of like minded people, you can definitely do that, which I try to do through my cap group where we have a cap cyclist, cap fitness group, cap, we do a lot of activities, trekkings, all those things, right? So where like-minded people join, and I try to, do myself and try to motivate all my friends, and give an opportunity to really see, what are they good at it, right? So the request here is, wake up, see yourself where you are, and look forward in next 1 year, 2 year, what do you want to be. Not professionally, that anyway we have to do it and we will do it, but personal front also, right? Either in 2 years you will get, you'll get your knee pain, you want to get your back pains, you want to get your, all body pains, or you want to be fit much better and keep walking like any others, in the group. Okay, so my sincere request, just think about it, what is that you have to invest, right, on your health. Just please, this is my humble request, where, which will make you and your family proud of, going down the line. Okay, hope I have not taken much time. Thank you very much. Bye. This is my first video, so bear with me. So hopefully I'll talk about more things in the coming days. Okay, thank you. Have a good healthy life.